Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. My name is Sakshi Sahu and this session is going to be a very important session as we are going to discuss the important days, all the important days, major important days which are there in the month of November. So all of the days which are important as far as examinations are concerned, everything will be discussed in this session. But before beginning, as I always introduced you with SSB Crack Exams, if you're a defense aspirant and preparing for defense-related exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, Territorial Army, SSB Crack is the best option for you. SSB Crack is the best platform to prepare for all such examinations. You can visit our website for more details regarding the courses, mock tests, quizzes, study materials and everything that we offer for the best preparation of your examination. You can also follow us on our social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Telegram. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play Store. So let us start and let's begin our session with the important days. So very first day of the November 1, it is celebrated as World Vegan Day. Okay, so World Vegan Day, it is an annual event which is celebrated around the world on 1st November. The benefits of veganism for humans and the natural environment are celebrated through the activities such as setting of stalls, hosting potlucks and planting memorial trees. So basically this day is observed to motivate people to follow a vegan lifestyle which is beneficial for animal welfare and the environment as well. Okay, so the day marks the foundation day of the Vegan Society of United Kingdom. Okay, so now let's move ahead. And next important day we have is the 2nd November. It is observed as International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against Journalists. Okay, what the day is? International Day to End Impunity for Crime Against Journalists. This particular day, it is a UN recognized international day which is observed annually on 2nd November. This day draws attention to low global conviction rate for violence against the crime against the journalists and media workers, which is now estimated at 1 in every 10 cases. Next important day we have, it is the 5th November, World Tsunami Day. So World Tsunami Awareness Day, it is observed on 5th November every year, and this is to highlight the dangers of tsunami and also to focus on the importance of what? Importance of early warning system to in order to minimize the damage that is caused due to the natural hazards such as tsunami. So this day also provides traditional knowledge about tsunamis. Next important day we have, it is the National Cancer Awareness Day. 7th November is observed as National Cancer Awareness Day. So it is observed to highlight the significance of the increased awareness about the cancer prevention and early detection of the for the general public. And National Cancer Control Program, it was initiated in 1975 with the view to provide the cancer treatment facilities in the country. So 7th November, please remember National Cancer Awareness Day. Now moving ahead, next important day we have, it is the 9th November, Legal Services Day. So it is particularly celebrated in India. And also it is known as National Legal Service Day. It is celebrated on 9th November. This particular day is to spread the awareness for the ensuring of reasonable, fair and justice procedures for all the citizens. So National Legal Service Day, it was first started by Supreme Court of India, which is the highest court of India, in the year 1995 in order to provide help and support to the poor and the weaker sections of the society so that each and every one get the fair and justice procedures and equal justice procedures to all the citizens. Okay, moving ahead, next is the 10th November. It is World Science Day. World Science Day for Peace and Development. So World Science Day for Peace and Development, it is an international day. Okay, and that highlights the importance of the role that science has in the society, in our life, and is celebrated on 10th of November each year. The day also highlights the need to engage the wider public in debates on emerging scientific issues. Okay, so please remember 10th November, World Science Day. It is also one of the very most important day. Next, the 14th November, Children's Day. You all know that it is celebrated on the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru ji. So the Children's Day, it is celebrated on 14th November in India and also known as Bal Divas. This day increases the awareness in public about the rights, care and education of the children. Children are the future of our country and the society. Henceforth, the utmost importance should be given to them. So Children's Day, 14th November, I hope you all know this. Moving ahead, on the 14th November itself only, the Diabetes Day is also celebrated. So World Diabetes Day is observed on 14th November, and this is to raise the awareness about the impact of diabetes disease in its preventions and education of the diabetes. So 14th November, along with the Children's Day, it is also observed as Diabetes Day. Next is 16th November. It is observed as International Day for Tolerance. Please remember, International Day for Tolerance is observed on 16th November. This is an annual observation day, and it is declared by UNESCO in the year 1995. The aim to observe this day is to generate public awareness about the dangers of intolerance in any of the society, observed on 16th November every year. Moving ahead, next is 17th November, National Epilepsy Day. So it is particularly observed in India. In India, November 17th is observed every year as the National Epilepsy Day. And this particular day is observed to create awareness about the epilepsy. When we talk about epilepsy, it is a chronic disorder of brain which is characterized by recurrent seizures and fits. Okay, so 17th November is the day. Next, moving ahead, next is the 20th November, World Children's Day. Okay, so World Children's Day is also observed in the month of November, and it is World Children's Day and the date is 20th November. It was first established in 1954 as Universal Children's Day, and it is celebrated on 20th November each year. This particular day is celebrated to promote the international togetherness, awareness amongst the children worldwide, and also improving the children's welfare. Okay, so do remember, for 20th November, World Children's Day. Moving ahead, the next day, 21st November, it is observed as World Television Day. So World Television Day is observed on 21st November every year. According to the United Nations, this year highlights the major role that television plays in our daily life by presenting different issues that affect people. So TV has a very influential role as far as our life is concerned. So UN General Assembly on 17 December 1996, it proclaimed that 21st November will be observed as World Television Day. Okay, so 21st November, World Television Day. Moving ahead, next is 25th November, again a very important day, International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. So you know that this is a very, very important and major concern around the world. United Nations General Assembly has designated 25th November as the International Day for the Elimination of the Violence which is against the woman, and it defines the violence against women as an act of gender-based violence that result in physical, sexual or psychological harm or suffering to women, including the threats, etc. So this is how the UN defines the violence against women, and the day is observed on 21st November every year. Next is 29th November. So on 29th November, it is observed as International Day of Solidarity with Palestinian People. International Day of Solidarity with Palestinian People. So UN General Assembly in 1977, by an adoption of resolution, it declared that 29th November will be observed as International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian People. On this day, Assembly also adopted resolution on the partition of Palestine in 1947. So this was the list of the important days which are there in the month of November. I hope this session is helpful to you. So this is it for this session. Thank you very much for listening. Keep working hard. Jai Hind.